something that's really gonna save your time is you realizing that whenever your numerator is a derivative of a denominator, you don't even consider the substitution. You directly think of ln, the logarithm, okay? Integration of g prime x over gx dx is without needing the substitution ln gx, okay? It's a result, it's a corollary of substitution. So without doing the substitution, all the writing up, can you do this integration? So that's why when I was looking at prep 4, I think you still haven't gotten this simplification bit yet though, because you got the right answer here, right? But even for here, you realize, oh, because 2x, and I can make 6x out of this, right? So you can do 2x over x squared plus 4, 3 dx. Then without needing the sub, you can just do ln x squared plus 4.